To install lightweight fixtures like paintings to a light steel frame wall panel, you have to make use of drywall anchors. Install the drywall anchor to the firestore board, then insert a drywall screw to hang the picture frames. For heavy items such as TV screens or cupboards, it is advisable to fix through a steel stud behind the board. You can make use of a metal detector to locate the stud positions or consult the design drawings. Once you have located the studs, you can fasten the TV or cupboards to the steel studs with 65mm drywall tape screws to secure them in place.
If you have any queries, please visit our website at siteform.co.za.